not have biases against any, what should I say, hotels or anything. But really, if it is disturbing, then complain to the panchayat. Panchayat has to take action. And there is two ways about that. I think that's a well-known so like, what is the use? Only panchayat has to be active. Panchayat has to fulfill the purpose for which it is elected.
रेजोल्यूशन घेतलें आमकां आमच्या गांवांत कोस्टल एरियांत आनी हॉटेलां नाकाय जे पळय आमची वॉटर बॉडीज आहाय पाणी आहाय सँड ड्युन्स आहाय ते सांबाळून दवरच्यो ओके हे ऑलरेडी डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा आनी कलेक्टरान ऑलरेडी आमी इनवर्ट करून दिलो आहा सो लोकांनी सायन बायन मारलो आहाय हे जालो आसतना तरी पासून ह्या हॉटेलांनी पास करीत आहाय ओके प्लस आमी गांवांत आनी मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स बी आनी आमकां नाका आमी सांगले ओके आहाय ते पुरो आनी पास कोन्ना काय ओके गांवांत रस्ते आहाय ते 10 मिटर रस्ते नाय हेणे आरपीचे 10 मिटर रस्ते दाखयलो आहाय ते आरपीचे चोवन हे टीसीपी ते म्हाका टीसीपीचे घालताय टीसीपी इज नॉट अ फायनल ऑथॉरिटी पंचायत इज द फायनल ऑथॉरिटी ओके सो प्लीज मागता आनी पोतून हॉटेलां ओ मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स पास कोन्ना काय
Issues all pertaining to the government. Okay, and you very well know that Gram Sabha has no powers, and Panchayat also. Whatever they are asking, they have to amend the rules of the Panchayat first to give powers to the Panchayat. So now TCP is not passing the plan, changing of zones. That doesn't come under purview of the Panchayat. Zoning is done by the TCP. They have got the TCP board where any zones has to be changed. They put for the board meeting, and they get the board approved by the board. The plans that come, we are the last postman. The technical authority are the TCP. They have to see the technical aspect or whether the setbacks. The collector is responsible for giving the sanad.
This is in response to?
No, general I'm saying. Because all the things that count separately only. Let's say not to pass the plans, stop giving licenses to the multi-dwelling houses or hotels because there's no garbage. So the matter is in the High Court. And in some panchayats, High Court has given order not to issue. If we come, the panchayat comes in the picture, not to issue the license, we will follow the High Court order.
वॉटर बॉडीज आमचे नालास आमकां सांबाळून दवरपा जाय आमची शेतां आहा ही शेतां आतां तेणी घेतल्या आनी गोवोरमेंट म्हणटा शेतां कन्वर्ट करूंक जायना आतां तेणी शेतां कन्वर्शनाक घातल्या ती कशी कन्वर्ट करपा सोदता तो गोवोरमेंट आमकां पळोवपा जाय